Hi guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. I'm back to share really quick some Halloween projects that I've been making this month, and I just haven't had a chance to share them in a video, so I thought I would do a quick little video and share some of the things that I've been creating. And you may have seen some of these on Instagram if you follow me on Instagram. So I'll get started. So these first two, I just used some of these plain wooden stars from one of the dollar stores, and I just used the Pinkaboo paper from Michaels, and I cut the pattern paper out. I stitched it using black thread, and then I just layered some silver thread, a rosette, this little frame die, and one of the little crochet pumpkins that I made. And a sentiment and this little star. The rosette and the frame are from the Coco and Reno Halloween dies. And this one, pretty much the same thing, just changed up the pattern paper, same layering and everything. And this one just has a pink pumpkin and just a little bit different on the sentiment sticker and the little bling. So there's that. And then I also using the Coco and Reno Halloween dies, I decorated up this glass jar that I just recycled from my kitchen. I was inspired by Suzanne. She is Scrapping the Details here on YouTube and also on Instagram. I'll link her information in the description box, but she does a lot of projects for craft fairs, like for Christmas and Halloween, and I just love her style, and she just has such great ideas, and she does do tutorials too sometimes. So yeah, I've been wanting to make this since I saw it on her channel. So the little witch hat comes from a pick from Michaels, and I just attached that to the lid, added some twine here, some ribbon that I already had in the middle here, and then I did a rosette. The Happy Halloween and the little ghosts and the spiders are from the Coco and Reno Halloween set of dies. And then I just had fun decorating the hat up. I used some pleated ribbon that's from the 99-cent store from this year. Some little glittery balls here that are like, I don't know, vase fillers or something from Dollar Tree. This little bat is from Dollar Tree. And then I added some cheesecloth, some little sprays, flowers, and this little puffy silver star. So I thought that turned out so cute. And there was candy in it, but it's all gone now. So there's that. And then I was inspired by Michelle, Paper Dreams and Things. She included some cute little brooms that she created in the Happy Mail that she sent me. So I decided to make a couple of these. I still need to add the twine around the bottom, but I just used straws that I had in my stash and some little pom-poms up at the top, and blue crepe paper. I could not find my pink or black, so I went with blue. And then I love this. It really does add a lot when you just kind of dip it in the glue and then add clear. This one has like clear glitter and then like some really shiny glitter that comes from Target. So I mixed those and then just dipped it in, and so pretty, so sparkly. So there's two that I need to finish up, and then these already have the little bow on the top of the broom there. So there's that. So I made those, and then I also got a couple of, or a die-in from AliExpress, and I had fun playing with this too. So it's a little doll, and it's super cute. The little curls pop up out of her hair, and I just had fun using like pink for the hair and different little pattern papers for her dress and her scarf. And these little hats are from Dollar Tree. They're the little wooden hearts, so this one fit her perfectly. So there's that one. And then this one here, pretty much the same, just a little bit different on the pattern paper. And this one's holding a little ghost and a little creepy cupcake. So those I thought were so fun and cute. And then I made some little shaker cards. These are see-through shakers, that I made. I still have to send a couple of packages out, so I'll be including these in those. So this one was, I just had some clear stickers, clear skull stickers in my stash. So I used one of the stickers on the top here, added a little pink bow with some bling. The little webs over here are sequins from a mix that I have. Some bling and just the sentiment there. So there's that one. And then this one here is another one. Also, there is a shaker, but this one's a little bit busier with the little spider web on top, so you can't see much. And then I added a little spider there, some star stickers, this little boo that I popped up on pink foam after I die cut it. So there's that, 2 little cards. And then really quick, I had this base to like a flipbook album. It was already made, and I got it. I don't know. It was in my stash, either from one of the meetups that I used to go to, or in some Happy Mail. I can't remember, but I decided to decorate it up, and it's really simple. It just has some rosette trim here on the edge. Some, let me see, little rhinestones here. I did some black stitching, used the black skull that comes from the Pinkaboo paper as well. Some paper flowers there and a big spider. And it's not too busy, but the inside of the album isn't too busy either. I felt like I couldn't decorate it much because it's one of those pull out kind of like Waterfall albums. So I felt like if I added more to the pages, it would get caught when you pull it. Isn't it fun? So I thought this was fun. Really simple, really quick, but really fun too when you like start messing with it and pulling it. So it's ready to go, ready to add some pictures to it. And then I just added some ribbon here to tie a bow and close it shut. So there's that little album, cards, and other little things that I created. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what you guys think, and if you're getting ready to move on to your Christmas crafts. And yeah, it'd be fun to know what you're working on next. So thanks, guys. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.